Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of browser on the application of TikTok. You will go to settings, here you will go to settings like this. Then you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this page of TikTok. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.